Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW 2 Series versus Mercedes A-Class. Both are strong contenders in the luxury compact segment, appealing to different drivers. The BMW 2 Series often targets those seeking a more engaging, performance-oriented experience. Conversely, the Mercedes A-Class typically appeals to buyers prioritizing comfort, advanced technology, and a sophisticated ride. We'll dive into their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your preferences. When it comes to raw power, the BMW 2 Series generally holds an advantage. Its base 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers 228 horsepower, allowing for a quicker 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in about 6 seconds with all-wheel drive. The Mercedes A-Class, while still capable, offers 188 horsepower from its base turbo 4-cylinder. This difference often translates to a more exhilarating feel in the BMW during spirited driving and drag race scenarios. Inside, both cars offer premium experiences, but with distinct flavors. The Mercedes A-Class boasts a more modern, tech-forward cabin with a larger 10.25-inch screen and advanced voice control. The BMW 2 Series, while still luxurious, has a more driver-focused cockpit with an 8-inch display. In terms of driving, the 2 Series is often praised for its sharp steering and agile handling, making it the more engaging choice for enthusiasts. The A-Class provides a more comfortable and composed ride. For practicality, the BMW 2 Series offers a slightly larger boot space at 430 liters compared to the A-Class's 395 to 405 liters. However, the A-Class often provides more rear legroom and a higher ground clearance, which can be beneficial for passengers and navigating varied roads. Fuel efficiency can vary, with some A-Class variants showing better numbers. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize sporty performance or a more comfortable, tech-rich, and spacious experience. Don't forget to check the description for the meal prep container link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.